knowing what kind of troubles he had on the strength of his strong will, and he somehow reached the school to study. But he was not allowed to sit in class. After a lot of struggle, when the place was found, it was at the back. During this time, when he felt thirsty, he would also be prevented from touching the public pitcher of water and drinking water. The pot was different for him to drink. This pitcher was not only different for him to drink, but it made the children like him feel that he belonged to a caste, which people used to humiliate them as lowly. He could not bear the difference in such thing as water. In childhood, the first rebellion erupted on the reason why the difference between high and low in children. However, he also suffered the ill effects of the rebellion. He was prevented from acquiring everything, which gave him some pleasure. The process of stopping was already going on, but he did not stop. Bhimrao Sakpal was that the rebellious child. A Brahmin teacher always appreciated Bhimrao. At the behest of him, Bhimrao removed Sakpal from his name and applied it to Ambedkar. He achieved it and showed it. He was prevented from reading books, so he made such friendship with books that he became the first law minister of India. The exploited people are still alive in their hearts. Prevented them from going to the Lord's temple, becoming the Lord of the hearts of the victims themselves. Stopped him from thinking. He became a thinker himself. Preventing them from legislation, they wrote the constitution of the world's largest democracy. It was Bhimrao Ambedkar who created obstacles as a source of strength. His name is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, willing to help others throughout his life. Right to education by enduring many sufferings, the attack on caste system and the problem of untouchability. Empowered the opposite by creating a constitution. Our Baba Saheb Ambedkar was like this. Born in Mao in Madhya Pradesh, humanity accepted its karma. All the troubles came in the way, but faced every challenge firmly. Many great works done in the national interest. Constitution made for the rights of the people. He paved the way for the downtrodden and the downtrodden, conveying the importance of freedom and self-respect. This is why our Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who faced every disaster,